Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming Android version and the launcher you use because backup options vary. Once done, install a launcher with an export feature or a dedicated backup app and open it. Give the app storage and backup permissions right away so it can read your layout. You do this now, don't delay. This early setup ensures the tool can access icons, widgets, and layout files, which is why permissions are essential before exporting. You now go into the launcher settings and tap Export or Backup. That's the core action. Once there, select Full Layout, Widgets, and Folder Structure so nothing is missed. Make sure to pick a destination, local file, Google Drive, or both, and note the file name and folder. While exporting, watch for progress and any error messages. After the export completes, verify the file size and date. That confirms the export actually captured your current homes. To finish, restore by opening Restore or Import in the same launcher or app, then pick the saved file. You'll see a preview before finalizing. Once restored, make sure widgets link to their apps. If a widget appears blank, reinstall its app and re-add the widget, then try Import again. If something goes wrong, use a second backup copy from cloud storage. That single troubleshooting tip, keep 2 backup locations, prevents total layout loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.